Electrolysis is a process in which a direct electric current is passed through a liquid or solution containing ions, causing a chemical reaction that decomposes or produces new substances. The process involves an electrolytic cell, which consists of an electrolyte solution and two electrodes, an anode and a cathode. When an electric current is passed through the solution, the anode, which is positively charged, attracts negatively charged ions from the electrolyte solution, causing them to lose electrons and undergo oxidation. The electrons that are released at the anode travel through the external circuit to the cathode, where they reduce positively charged ions in the electrolyte solution. The reduction and oxidation reactions at the electrodes cause the formation of new substances, which can be collected as gases, liquids, or solids. For example, electrolysis of water produces hydrogen gas at the cathode and oxygen gas at the anode. Electrolysis has many practical applications, such as in the production of metals, purification of chemicals, and electroplating of metals onto surfaces. It is also used for the extraction of elements like aluminum and sodium, as well as in the production of chlorine and hydrogen gas.